Yo, what's going on YouTube fam? Jeff out here back at it again with another video. And for today's video, we're going to be talking about cuffing pants. More specifically, the pinroll. And yeah, it's going to be a pretty quick video, so definitely stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's get right into it. For this video, you're going to need some jeans or pants that are preferably skinny or slim fit. You're not going to want any pants that are going to be like too baggy, because then yeah, they'll just end up looking like parachute pants, honestly. And yeah, you don't want that. And you don't want any jeans that are going to be too long either, because the pinroll that you're going to do is going to be way too big, and yeah, that's not going to look good either. Now that we have our pants, we can begin. Alright guys, so to start, we're going to need to pull up our pants or jeans slightly. Then we're going to grab the medial portion of the bottom seam of the pants. Then you're going to take that portion of your jeans and fold it over itself, pulling towards the back of your ankle. Now you're going to make a cuff by pulling the inseam of your pants up one time over itself, making sure to stabilize with your fingers so that your cuff doesn't get loose at all, as you can see in the video. And then after that, you're going to roll the pants up one more time over itself, while making sure to maintain the tightness of the cuff as you roll up. And then there you guys have it. You made a pinroll. Boom, there you have it guys. That's the end of this video. This is just a quick way to switch your style up if you want to like try something new for the summer instead of wearing your jeans the normal way or your pants. So yeah, definitely try it out. And yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, you should definitely hit the subscribe button and the notification button also for future video updates. And definitely hit that like button and share this video. And yeah, that's it for this video guys. Like I said, it was going to be a quick one, and yeah. See you guys later.